Good morning, Monday morning, meteorologist Dean Davison from the Weather Pros, and we're going to be talking about the weather over the next week or so. And it's about 7:20 a.m. when I'm recording this. As you see, the low pressure from this nor'easter we've had, some strong winds still here in the I-81 corridor. That should be diminishing by the time we get to noontime today. You see some rain still up in Jersey. That'll be moving out. We have, as you see, this is the flow right here that you're seeing. Ridge here in the Midwest, trough in the east. That will change a little bit and improve the weather over the next couple days. Snowfall wise, not really seeing any too bad, except for here in Colorado. And we got rain coming across the Missouri and Illinois, Michigan, the low pressure system here, like I said, up in parts of Canada, and it's going to ride over top the ridge, which is going to build here in the North Carolina area. That ridge will break down, and we will see rainfall and potentially some strong thunderstorms by the time we get down to Thursday. This is going to be up in the air to see how strong it's going to be. The low pressure will be in West Virginia, so we will have wind from the south and southeast. This could be interesting in the aspect of after being 70 degrees and dropping back to 50, that we could see some potential severe weather. I'm not saying we're going to get it, but it's always possible. Some of the longer, some of the mid-range does show that. Heavy rain then moves in through New York. As the low moves, cranks out. Some snow out here in South Dakota and right northern Nebraska. Some heavy snow here in Canada. As that moves out, we get a blast of cold air here by the time we get to Saturday. Going into Sunday, as we get this low coming down from the parts of Canada into North Dakota. Some snow in North Dakota. This will continue south. We may get some snow in very northern parts of Minnesota. Extreme parts, north parts of Wisconsin. But once again, not extreme. And this is just going to be a pattern probably through mid-month before we really start cranking into. We start really cranking into a potential snowy pattern with the way the nor'easters are starting to come across. Rain looks like likely in New Jersey, New York, Virginia, that area for election day. That will move off the coast. And like I said, now you're starting to see the progression of the low to the south. Here's your nor'easter type storm setup. This is going to happen most of the winter. And this is what's going to be generating potentially good snowstorms on the East Coast this winter. This is how it's going to build. We're going to get in these patterns, so it's going to, when it gets colder, it's going to be snowy cold. And then we get a strong low pressure bringing some stronger snow down here through the Dakotas. Maybe even Minneapolis may be into that. We'll have to see. Then, actually, we see some snow potentially for the state of New York, for Vermont, New Hampshire, parts of Maine. So we're starting to get the cold air moving south, and we're at the 13th now. And then potentially Des Moines and areas like that, Minneapolis, by the 14th, we might see some snow start. So then we get into some of the places where we actually have a good amount of clients. With the Weather Pros, we have clients in very many states, over 400 clients, and it's a great job. If you want to know how our company operates, you work outdoors with snowplow and landscape, theweatherpros.com. Sign up for this free trial. We will show you why we are better. We will show you all the information that you'll need to see well prior to what the news and any other media will show you. And you see wet weather here. This is a precursor to a nor'easter. And other than that, it looks like we're going to have an on and off cold air, warm air pattern. I don't think it's going to get much higher than 70. And the cold air will be in the 40s in those time frames. So we'll keep an eye on it for you, keep you updated. Meteorologist Team Davison, thanks for watching. Have a great day.